Hi everybody and welcome back to the painting channel. This is a bit of an impromptu video, but I wanted to make it and I gave it a lot of thought before I actually did. It's in response to the COVID-19 or coronavirus that's affecting everybody without exception in the world right now, and I just wanted to sort of put a little thing out there, not about that, because there is an awful lot of information out there and I am certainly not qualified to add to that, other than the fact that how it relates to me as a painter or as an artist, and my tutorials and my gallery more than anything else. And the thing is that I had to close my gallery this week for the foreseeable future. I have no idea how long this epidemic is going to last and how far-reaching it's going to be before it starts to abate. But whatever happens is my gallery will close, and that's meant that all my classes have closed. And that's a very sad thing, because many of my classes, they do enjoy the contact with each other and the interaction and the sociability of it. And that also affects other people that come to my demonstration evenings and my other workshops at the gallery. So I thought long and hard of how I can actually respond to that now that I'm not physically opening a gallery up, putting tables and chairs out and inviting people in and enjoying their company, and they enjoy my instruction for, as I say, however long it takes. So I decided that the real big way that I can do things is to alter my Patreon page to reflect a new tier within that I can actually have video contact with people at home to help them with their artwork and the furtherance of their artistic endeavors moving forward through time. And so I've sort of created this new tier whereby I can sort of link with you each month and well, a couple of times a month, and also interact with you on Facebook in a special community page that we have set up there for all of that, and people can then join in and get extra tuition from me. And I'm also I'm trying to find out about live streaming, because I feel that live streaming or video conferencing is a great way that I can connect with all my students, both those physically and the rest of you around the world, to help you with more immediate and full term or full versions of painting. So I'm looking into the video streaming aspect. I have no idea how to do it yet. It's all very, very new, and I started looking at some of the items that I might need to get the tech in place, and honestly it was a minefield. I haven't got a clue, but the efforts there are ongoing. So anyway, once I get all that sorted out, that'll be great. But in the meantime, there is a tier that is now ready for you to look at on my Patreon page. The links are down below, and you can get involved with that. And you may only want to do it while this COVID-19 or coronavirus is going on, or it might be something that you wish to carry on long after it's abated and out of our lives. But whatever way, it's there for you to look at and get involved with if you want to. And I will do my utmost to connect with each and every person. Certainly those who sign into that tier will get a lot more from me. And it's a way for me not to go stir crazy too. And then the last thing I want to do, especially with all my existing clients and all my existing classes, is to lose that and to lose the contact that I have with each of my students. And I think that's really important. So if you're a student of mine that comes to the gallery each week, take a look at this and get involved if you feel that you would like to. And if you're not a student of mine but you do watch my videos on YouTube, and you do want to have that much closer contact with me where I can actually interact with you on a one-to-one level via video link through Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger or Skype, whatever it might be, there are umpteen ways that we can do it, and I'm more than able to help you yeah, take it forward. So that's all I wanted to talk about really, but one overriding message is to each and every one of you: please just stay safe and stay healthy. The government, certainly our government in England, are giving some much worthy advice, and they're updating us all the time. I think the overriding factor is that we must keep this 2-meter distance between ourselves. There's nothing stopping us going out a little bit to get a bit of fresh air. In fact, it's good for the soul, I'm told. But by all means do that, they say, but keep the distance. And I think that that is the overriding message, is stay safe, keep your distance, and hopefully we will all get through this. But in the meantime, I am now at home, and I am in my studio here, and I am painting, and I am filming, and I'm learning about streaming, and yeah, we're going to see where that goes. And I just hope that I can stay in touch with so many of you. And as I say, if you're just subscribing to me, then please have a look at that. It might be a way that you can get in contact with me more easily and get some one-to-one feed and reaction. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a link down there, hit that subscribe button, and get involved. And even if you just look at the YouTube channel, be happy to have you on board as a subscriber. That will be great, and it helps me grow my channel. And we are sort of rapidly growing towards the 1,000 subscriber mark, which meets one of the YouTube milestones to become monetized. I'm a long way off of the other one though. I need, I think, about 4,000 hours of viewing. So if you're not viewing much of my videos, get back down there and start viewing them. Notch those minutes and hours up for me so that we can monetize this channel and start getting a little bit of income coming in from it. However small it might be, every bit helps me grow. Every bit helps me support the efforts that I'm doing in filming and teaching and doing all this stuff for you guys to enjoy. So with that in mind, as I said just now, please, all of you, whoever you are, whether I know you, whether I've never met you, please be healthy, stay safe, and we'll all get through this one together, I hope, and keep on painting. Be happy, keep those brushes moving, pencils going. Catch you all soon. Bye-bye, guys and girls.